In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Canva. We'll keep it simple and approachable, so you can build a clean, professional mark even if you're brand new. Start on your main Canva dashboard. At the top left, click the Create button. This is your gateway to new designs and templates. In the search box that appears, type logo. You'll see a collection of logo templates and options for different sizes. For most uses, the 500 by 500 pixel square is all you need. That size keeps things crisp while staying lightweight, and it's ideal for profile images and quick previews. Go ahead and select it. When the editor opens, you have two easy paths. The first is to start with a design template and customize it. Browse the template gallery and look for a style that fits your brand's personality: modern, playful, elegant, or bold. Click one you like, then replace the placeholder text with your brand name or initials. Adjust the font to match your vibe and tweak the color palette so it aligns with your brand colors. Keep an eye on spacing and alignment. A clean layout is what makes a logo look professional. Remove any extra elements you don't need to simplify the design and draw attention to the main idea. The second path is to start fresh. Add simple shapes to establish a base or icon, like circles, squares, or triangles, and combine them to form a unique symbol. Next, add text for your name or initials. Choose one or two fonts at most. Adjust size and weight for balance, and refine letter spacing to improve legibility. If you have an icon or image you want to include, upload it and place it alongside or above your text, keeping the overall composition centered and tidy. Finally, fine-tune your colors. Pick a primary color and a supporting accent if needed, and check that there's enough contrast so your logo stays readable at a glance. Try zooming out to see how it looks small, since logos often appear tiny in real life. Once you've customized a template or built the design with shapes, text, and any uploads, you're done. You've created a clear, versatile logo inside Canva, ready to represent your brand across platforms.